Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI for blogging step by step. Even if you're a beginner, you can create posts faster and easier. First, sign into your Claude AI account. Once you're in, click New Chat to start your blogging project. This is where you'll type your blog prompts. Next, choose your blog topic and target keywords. For example, type, write a blog post about productivity tips with keywords, time management, and focus. Being specific helps Claude create SEO-friendly content. Then hit enter, and Claude AI will generate a draft blog post. It can include headings, subheadings, and even meta descriptions if you ask. You'll get a full structured draft to start with. After generating the draft, review it and tweak as needed. You can adjust tone, add examples, or improve readability. Claude AI makes it easy to iterate quickly. Finally, copy or export your blog, publish it on your website, and share it online. Using Claude regularly can help you produce consistent, high-quality content faster. And that's it. Using Claude AI for blogging is really that simple. Define your topic, generate, refine, and publish, then watch your blog grow.